everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. And thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you on what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 28th to the 1st of September 2023 on Monday. As Kapsile prays for calm in their lives, disaster strikes at the peanut builders. Sbu arrive home early to a disturbing scene. Flavia is hell-bent on doing a story piece on Shaman Mbata on Tuesday. Sibonelo Angels are trying to navigate trouble, sees while the Klaba women try to intervene in vain. Mondli gets the shock of his life on Sibongsene's cell phone. Sleep gets Mbata into a bit trouble on Wednesday. Nyao does not show up for his shift, raising Lily's suspicions. Hlelo becomes defensive when questioned by Hlezipi, and Shaman Mbata's hero welcome at the airport is in the works on Thursday. Sibonelo makes sure Nyao never speak of what happened ever again. Hlelo knows something is wrong when she can't find Sibongiseni. Mbata makes a silly mistake when rushing to the airport on Friday. Njinji hands over the CCTV footage to Lily. Hlelo is relieved when Mondi doesn't find anything on Sibongiseni's phone. Mbata is humbled by the new people gathered to support him. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.